Hello everyone. Today's topic is AND graph. What is AND graph? The AND graph is useful for representing the solution of problems that can solve by decomposing them into a set of smaller problems, all of which must then be solved. This decomposition or reduction generates arc that we call AND arc, and this is the AND arc which is showing in red color. One AND arc may point to any number of successor nodes, all of which must be solved in order for the arc to point to a solution. So इसमें इसे अगर सिंपल तरीके से समझें कि if you acquire if you have a goal to acquire a TV set, so there is a three way. Either you steal the TV set or earn some money and buy TV set. So there are two methods. या तो आप स्टील कर लो टीवी सेट को, अदरवाइज कि पहले उसके लिए अर्निंग करो, देन go to buy a TV set. Now, next is AO star search algorithm. In an AND or graph, AO star algorithm is an efficient method to explore a solution path. AO star algorithm works mainly based on two phases. First phase will find a heuristic value for nodes and arc in a particular level. The changes in the values of nodes will be propagated back in the next phase. There are situations like a non-promising node eventually become a promising one. So AO star algorithm will not give the best solution in such a case. That means if you choose non-promising node, then you cannot give the best solution in for that case. So here a new method is introduced to consider such nodes by performing a depth limited search before fixing the heuristic value. Also, the proposed method is handling interacting such problems which is not handled by AO star algorithm. So in order to find solution in an AND or graph, AO star algorithm works well similar to best first search with an ability to handle the AND or appropriately. The algorithm finds an optimal path from initial node by propagating the result like solution and change in heuristic value. A-style algorithm is used in AND/OR type graph for searching. So this is the algorithm of a AO star search algorithm. Initialize the graph to start node. Second, traverse the graph following the current path, accumulating nodes that have not yet been expanded or solved. Third, third step, pick any of these nodes and expand it. If it is no successor, call this value is futility. Otherwise, calculate only f for each of the successor. If f is 0, then mark the node as solved. अगर f की वैल्यू 0 है, it means वो नोड आपने solve कर दिया. Change the value of f for the newly created node to reflect its successor by back propagation. Next step, wherever possible, use the most promising routes, and if a node is marked as solved, then mark the parent node as solved. Next step, if starting node is solved or value greater than futility, stop, else report, sorry, stop, else repeat from second step. So this is the we can understand or understand with the help of diagram. फर्स्ट स्टेप हमारा क्या है, ए नोड, देन तो बिफोर स्टेप टू, तो ए को हमने क्या किया, एक्सपेंड किया बी सी एंड डी में। तो बी की वेटेज क्या था 3, सी का 4 एंड 5। तो इसका दोनों का सम कितना था, 4 4, 3 + 4 7 + 1 इसका वैल्यू एंड 1 इसकी, तो 2 करके 9। और अगर हम इसमें, ठीक है, अब उसमें क्या है हमारा 6 है वो वैल्यू। तो अगर वो 6 है तो हम कौन सी नोड को प्रेफर करेंगे, डी नोड को। तो डी में हमारी कितनी वैल्यू 5, तो हमने क्या किया, डी को एक्सपेंड कर दिया। हमारी आर क्या होगी, बी और सी में आर बनी हुई है नोड, तो उसको तो हम एक्सपेंड कर नहीं सकते। ओके, तो डी को हमने किया, डी में हमने क्या किया, डी में हमारे आर बनी 10, 10 उसकी वैल्यू होगी पर now again we have to check the value of D and the value of A। अब इसमें क्या है कि A की वैल्यू हमारी कम होगी क्योंकि 10 है हमारी वैल्यू, तो हम क्या करेंगे, वो सॉरी 9 है स्टेप 3 में। तो हम क्या करेंगे, किसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे, B को, क्योंकि B की जो वैल्यू है वो 3 है, ठीक है। और H की वैल्यू और C की वैल्यू है 4 और D की वैल्यू है 1 लाख।